On November 7th, 1884, the town of Calgary was incorporated. Calgary then elected George Murdoch the first mayor of Calgary and 4 councillors. They celebrated their victory in Councillor Clark's bar. I'm sorry, Castle Mountain Billiard Hall, which serves no alcohol at all due to prohibition. All was good in Calgary until 1885 when the evil Judge Travis came to town.
I will clean up this town from its moral decay.
One day, Judge Travis called the Northwest Mounted Police into his office.
Men, you know it's Prohibition, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Do you know there's a bar next door?
Yeah, we do.
Then get over there and break it up.
Oh, we can't, sir. That's Councillor Clark's bar.
All the more reason to.
Clark, we need to inspect your bar.
You're not coming in my bar. I mean billiard hall without a warrant.
We don't need one. Move aside.
With his friend in jail, Mayor Murdoch traveled to Ottawa to attempt to get rid of Judge Travis. In retaliation, Travis declared Murdoch and his 2 councillors disqualified from running for re-election. Unfortunately for Travis, in 1886, ballots weren't created on a computer. They were all written individually by hand, and the guy whose job it was to make them was Murdoch's friend. Murdoch, Fries, and Lindsay's names appeared on all the ballots. Murdoch and his councillors won the election by a landslide, which enraged Judge Travis.
The new mayor is James Riley. He is the one true mayor of Calgary.
He declared they were all disqualified again and announced his own appointed city council. With that, Calgary had 2 mayors and 2 city councils, one that was elected and one that was appointed. Neither one would back down, and neither one would run the new town. At one point, a fight even broke out between Murdoch and Riley in the streets with nothing decided. As the seasons changed and nothing resolved, a new election was declared in late October. Calgary ushered in a new era with an entirely new mayor and council on November 4th, 1886, and all was peaceful in Calgary for the next 3 days.